Hello, today we're going to learn Urdu with a drama called Ehd-e-Wafa. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sara and I teach Urdu as a second language on this channel. If you're learning Urdu, this channel will be very helpful because I teach Urdu with stories, dramas, songs, grammar, etc. Today we are going to watch a clip from a drama series called Ehd-e-Wafa. I haven't seen this series, but someone recommended me this show, so we're going to watch the clip from the first episode. I'm going to pause a lot and we'll do a dialogue breakdown. So if you want to watch the whole clip or the whole episode, I'll link it down below in the description box. If you want to get a PDF transcript of this video, you can always go to the description box and click on the link below. So now let's begin. So as far as I've heard, this is about friendship and four friends living together and studying together in a hostel in, I think, St. Lawrence, Murray, which is a small city in Pakistan. Actually, just near my city. I usually go there for hiking. So this is about their college life and the fun they have together. And I feel like in this clip, they are trying to run away from the hostel. Oh, so they were trying to get out, but I think someone caught them. The warden caught them, I think.
लगता है हम पकड़े जा चुके हैं। तेरा ख्याल बिल्कुल ठीक है मेरी जान। बता दे साथ।
So लगता है means I feel like. लगता है is a very common sentence. Actually, the verb lagna is so common in Urdu, but for all my students quite difficult because it has like 20 to 30 different meanings and used in different contexts. But I will make a video on it in the future. So लगता है means it feels like, it seems like. लगता है पकड़े जा चुके हैं. पकड़े जा चुके हैं means we have been caught. We had already been caught. चुके हैं is a construction that is used for something that had already been done. Something that is describing the completion of the action. So they had been caught. It has happened.
लगता है हम पकड़े जा चुके हैं। तेरा ख्याल बिल्कुल ठीक है मेरी जान। बता दे साथ।
So probably you can see here that they're using the least formal pronoun for you, which is tera khayal or your. So tera is your idea is right. Tera khayal bilkul theek hai means your idea is absolutely right, because the other guy said that, oh, we haven't caught, and he said, yes, you're right, tera khayal bilkul sahi hai. So they're using the least formal adjective, possessive adjective, because this is used amongst friends. So usually friends use the least formal pronoun or possessive adjective. The respectful ones are aapka, which is your, and then tumhara, which is casual your. So aapka khayal, tumhara khayal, and then tera khayal. They're used in varying degrees of respectfulness. Aapka is used with strangers or with someone you are trying to give respect or being very formal with. And then tumhara is used with all the like siblings and friends, and tera is used with extremely close friends, or sometimes it's used to disrespect someone. Or so that is why in my classes I never teach the least formal pronouns or least formal possessive adjectives. Now let's move forward.
अब क्या करना है?
अब जो करेगा वार्डन ही करेगा।
अब जो मैं तुम्हारे साथ करूंगा ना, तुम अपनी आने वाली नस्लों को भी
You can see that here they're using the future tense a lot. So bata de means tell us, what should we do? क्या करना है? What do we have to do? क्या करना है means what should we do? क्या करना है, अब क्या करना है? What should we do now?
अब क्या करना है?
अब जो करेगा वार्डन ही करेगा।
अब जो मैं तुम्हारे साथ करूंगा ना, तुम अपनी आने वाली नस्लों को भी सबक दोगे कि जहाँ पे
अब
फिर
जो करेगा वार्डन ही करेगा। Whatever will happen will be done by the warden. The warden is this guy. I think the warden actually caught them.
अब जो मैं तुम्हारे साथ करूंगा ना, तुम अपनी आने वाली नस्लों को भी सबक दोगे कि जहाँ पे फिरदौस साहब वार्डन हो, वो हॉस्टल नहीं।
तो अब जो मैं आपके साथ करूँगा, now what I will do with you, तुम्हारे साथ means with you, तुम्हारे साथ करूँगा, will do. What I'll do with you will be remembered by the next generation, by your next generation.
अब जो मैं तुम्हारे साथ करूंगा ना, तुम अपनी आने वाली नस्लों को भी सबक दोगे कि जहाँ पे फिरदौस साहब वार्डन हो, वो हॉस्टल नहीं।
आने वाली नस्लों को means the coming generation. Nasl is a generation. So you will give the lesson that I'll teach you to the next generation. So they will know what I've done to you.
भी सबक दोगे कि जहाँ पे फिरदौस साहब वार्डन हो, वो हॉस्टल नहीं कास्टल होता है।
कास्टल? अबे कैसे कोई कास्टल बोल रहे?
ओए कैसा
So they will know. Firdaus Sahab is, I think his name is Firdaus. So Firdaus Sahab जहाँ warden हो, where Firdaus Sahab is a warden, that place is not a hostel but a castle. So he's mispronouncing castle with castle. He's saying castle, but he means, I don't know why he said castle.
भी सबक दोगे कि जहाँ पे फिरदौस साहब वार्डन हो, वो हॉस्टल नहीं कास्टल होता है।
कास्टल? अबे कैसे कोई कास्टल बोल रहे?
ओए कैसा
Probably because this is not a typical hostel. This is like a prison, like where the prisoners are kept. It has high walls and nobody can escape from this castle. Probably that's why he's saying it.
यहाँ फिरदौस बेग की आंखें दीवारों में फिट हुई होती हैं, जो दिन को सोती हैं और रात को जागती हैं, और जब तुम जैसी मखलूकें जो हैं
Firdaus Sahab, he's just like referring to himself कि जहाँ फिरदौस साहब की आंखें दीवारों में फिट हुई होती हैं. That means that his eyes are everywhere, on all the walls, on every corner. His eyes are seeing everything. He's like all knowing.
दिन को सोती हैं और रात को जागती हैं, और जब तुम जैसी मखलूकें जो हैं
जो दिन को सोती हैं, so this is the present simple tense, जो दिन को सोती हैं, the eyes, he's referring to his eyes. His eyes sleep in the morning but are awake at night, so they're just awake and just seeing where everyone is going, if everyone is sleeping or escaping.
रात को जागती हैं, और जब तुम जैसी मखलूकें जो हैं भागने की कोशिश करती हैं, तो वो एक्टिवेट होकर उनके भागते हुए कदमों को वहीं पर रोक देती है।
तुम जैसी मखलूकें, मखलूक means creature, the creature like you. तुम जैसी means like. For example, Sara जैसी, like Sarah. उस जैसी, like her. तुम जैसी, like you. Makhluqe is the plural of makhluk, which is creatures. The creatures like you, जो भागने की कोशिश करती हैं. भागना is to run away, to escape, or to run. भागने की कोशिश means try to run. The creatures like you who are trying to run, my eyes catch them, my eyes see them.
खुर्शीद बेटा, और इन मुजाहिदों के इस कारनामे को जरा अपने कैमरे की आंख में तो बंद करो।
अरे क्या अज़ाब है यार।
So his eyes activate at night when he sees people escaping from this hostel. It's like a prison really, but I don't know why these guys were escaping. It will be revealed later, I guess. A lot of difficult words in this dialogue. Again, these lessons are not for beginner students because these are a bit difficult for a beginner level student. So he's saying,
इन मुजाहिदों के इस कारनामे को जरा अपने कैमरे की आंख में तो बंद करो।
अरे क्या अजाब है यार।
Mujahid is a martyr, like so Mujahid is a person who fights, who takes part in a jihad, is called Mujahid. Mujahid is like, he's just being sarcastic because they're caught in a very difficult situation. That's why I'm saying Mujahido ki is karname go. Karname is shenanigan because they have been caught in this shenanigan. So इनके कारनामे को कैमरे की आँख में बंद करो, like so कैमरे की आँख में बंद करना is to capture, they capture the photo, they capture the picture of these martyrs, not martyrs but fighters. कैमरे की आँख में बंद करना, although this is not a very colloquial, it's just that he's being very melodramatic. Otherwise, if you just want to say take my picture, I'll just say tasveer lo, meri tasveer lo. Lena is to take, and here it's used as an imperative, as a command. Meri tasveer lo means take my picture. Meri tasveer lo.
ये अजाब कभी अकेला नहीं आता, कैमरा लेके आता है। इसकी तो मैं
सर फ्रेम तो बहुत ही अच्छा है सर।
So क्या
फिल्मी।
अजाब है? What is this trouble? What is this agony? What is this curse? क्या अजाब है? Like, oh my God, what the hell? That's what it means. क्या अजाब है? Like it's usually used in a frustrating situation.
ये अजाब कभी अकेला नहीं आता, कैमरा लेके आता है। इसकी तो मैं
सर फ्रेम तो बहुत ही अच्छा है सर, फिल्मी। लेकिन सर इनकी शक्लें नजर नहीं आ रही।
अजाब कभी अकेला नहीं आता. So they are actually saying that about the warden. They're saying that the warden is a curse. So azab is the word for the warden. Like this thing, this curse doesn't come alone. It always comes with a camera. Filmy means very dramatic, a film-like, movie-like.
लेकिन सर इनकी शक्लें नजर नहीं आ रही। जरा आप इन्हें बोले इधर तो देखें।
चारों अपने बूथे इधर करो। सुना नहीं तुमने?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा फील से बोलें।
तो फिर ठीक है।
Shakl is a face. So shakl nazar nahi aa rahi means we cannot see their faces. Shakl nazar nahi, their faces cannot be seen. शक्लें नजर नहीं आ रही, शक्लें नजर नहीं आ रही।
बोले इधर तो देखें।
चारों अपने बूथे इधर करो। सुना नहीं तुमने?
So, आप इनसे बोले इधर तो देखें, आप इनसे बोले you say to them शक्लें इधर करो, like turn your face towards this direction. इधर means here, turn your face here, show your face. शक्ल इधर करो, अपने बोथे इधर करो. बोथे is a slang word for the face, so like a face is botha as well. So turn your face here, like यहाँ पर करो अपने बोथे
करो। सुना नहीं तुमने?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा फील से बोलें।
तो फिर ठीक है।
Haven't you heard? सुना नहीं तुमने? So feel से बोले means say it with a little emotion. Feel से बोले. I think that's what he said. Although I've never heard this sentence.
सुबह तक इसी पोजीशन में रहो।
और इसकी तरफ देख के जान छुड़वाओ, मैं इंसान हूँ, ऊँट नहीं। भाई कोई देखे ना देखे, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी कमर टूट रही है।
His accent is a little Punjabi, so because it's obviously a city in Punjab. इसकी तरफ देख के means let's look at him. इसकी तरफ means at him, at his direction. जान छुड़वाओ means let's just save ourselves, save our lives. Just look at him and let's just get out of here. Let's just save our lives. जान छुड़वाओ. छुड़वाना is to get it free. So our life is captured, so now let's get it free. Chudwana. Or chudwana is also to bail someone out of the jail. So chudwaya, usko chudwaya means we have bailed him out from someone's captivity.
और इसकी तरफ देख के जान छुड़वाओ, मैं इंसान हूँ, ऊँट नहीं। भाई कोई देखे ना देखे, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ कि मेरी कमर टूट रही है।
मैं इंसान हूँ, ऊँट नहीं। आई एम अ ह्यूमन। इंसान इज़ अ ह्यूमन, ऊँट इज़ अ कैमल। ऊँट नहीं, आई एम नॉट अ कैमल, ओके, because there are people on his back standing on his shoulders, so he's saying that he's not a camel. Dekhe na dekhe, don't care about the others. I don't care if you guys are looking at him or not. I will look at him. मैं देख रहा हूँ, I'll look at him even if you guys are not. कमर टूट रही है। टूटना is to break. मेरी कमर means my back. मेरी कमर means my back is breaking. And so I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I'm just gonna look at him and I'll go back to my bed.
नहीं नहीं, सबसे पहले वही देखेगा जिसने प्लान बनाया है। शाहज़ेन देख।
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूं तुमको, इधर देखो।
So I think Shahzeb is the guy who made this plan. So he's saying that whoever made this plan should look at him first. सबसे पहले means first. First, the guy who made the plan will look at him. आखिरी बार means last time. कह रहा हूँ means say. I am saying that for the last time. मैं आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ. I am saying that for the last time.
मलिक शाहज़ैन, लगता है अपने जागीर के घोड़े याद आ रहे थे कि अपने दोस्त को घोड़ा बल्कि खोता बना दिया है।
So he's saying probably you were missing the horses in your property. Seems like this guy is a bit well off and he has horses, and his name Malik is represents that he's from a rich family. He's a landlord, I think, of some properties. अपने दोस्त को घोड़ा या फिर खोता बना दे. घोड़ा is a horse and khota is a donkey, but he's not eligible to be a horse, so actually it's a donkey. Saying someone donkey is derogatory, and horse is considered powerful and majestic. He's insulting this guy by calling him a donkey.
तालियां! ओ सुभान अल्लाह! Oh, metric board ka topper.
Like so seems like this warden knows everyone. The second guy is the topper of the metric board, and so it's just he's identifying everyone.
और मलिक शाहज़ैन का घोड़ा बना हुआ है और शार्क कभी के
बना हुआ है means became. बना हुआ है is became.
शार्क नहीं, शारिक।
शारिक नहीं, इस वक्त तुम जाल में फंसी हुई शार्क नजर आ रहे हो।
His name is Sharik and the warden is calling him Shark.
शार्क नहीं, शारिक।
शारिक नहीं, इस वक्त तुम जाल में फंसी हुई शार्क नजर आ रहे हो।
तुम जाल में फंसी हुई शार्क नजर आ रहे हो. So at this time, right now, इस वक्त, तुम means you, जाल में फंसी हुई like captured in a cage, captured in a net. जाल में फंसी हुई. फंसना is to be captured. Look like a shark captured in a cage. That's funny. Warden was doing some lame jokes at first, but now it's quite funny.
और 3 अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शेरयार अफजल, वो भी इस जंग में आज घोड़े का किरदार अदा कर रहा है सबके साथ. इसके लिए भी तालियां.
इस जंग में means in this war, घोड़े का किरदार अदा कर रहा है. So he's अदा करना is to play. So अदा करना is actually to pay, but in this scenario it means to play. He's playing the character of a horse. So this is a drama in which he is playing the character of a horse. घोड़े का किरदार अदा कर रहा है. इसके लिए भी तालियां means for him as well, some clapping. तालियां is clapping. इसके लिए means for him. इसके लिए भी तालियां. Clapping for him as well.
सवार साहब, अब आप भी अपना नूरानी बूथा इधर मोड़ लें.
So Sawar is this is actually Interesting, very funny. So Sawar is a rider. Sawar Sahab means Mr. Rider. आप भी अपना बूथा, अपना नूरानी बूथा. Nurani is like saint-like, like halo-y, means luminous, a luminous or shining face due to the good deeds that they have done. So this is being sarcastic and saying, oh, your face is so bright because of all the good things that you just make a joke.
फिल्मी बना दूं?
फौरन।
I think this guy is probably his son. I'm probably going to cut some dialogues here because there is music in the background and it will get copyrighted. So look at this place, isn't it very beautiful? Actually, Murray is quite beautiful and there are nice trails in Murray and I love to go to Murray to hike.
बात है, तस्वीरें तो बहुत अच्छी हैं यार। हाँ, बहुत अच्छी हैं। मेरी तो बहुत पुरानी ख्वाहिश है कि एक तस्वीर तो हम चारों के साथ हो। देख ले, अल्लाह मियाँ ने आज तेरी सुन ली।
They have this picture taken, put on the notice board. Allah Miyan ne tumhari sun li. The guy is saying that I'm happy. He's being sarcastic and saying, oh, we have the good picture together. That's what I've always wanted. And the other guy is saying, Allah Miyan ne tumhari sun li. The God has finally heard you. Allah Ta'ala ne tumhari sun li. Have heard your request, your desire. Bakwas band karo. Bakwas band karo. So as you can see, this is very real Urdu. This is the Urdu that people use, and through this channel I do want to teach you Urdu that's actually used in India and Pakistan, rather than teaching you very literal Urdu that nobody use. Bakwas band karo means just stop talking, stop your lame discussions. But don't ever say that to a stranger, someone older than you. It's just used amongst friends.
बकवास बंद करो यार। यहाँ जान पर बनी है, तुम लोगों को अपनी ख्वाहिशों की पड़ी है। क्या स्टोरी देनी है प्रिंसिपल को, कुछ सोचा है? मुझे तो ये समझ में
जान पर बनी है means I'm in trouble. It's a common phrase that means जान पर बनी है, I am stuck, I'm so worried, my life is in danger. जान पर बनी है, it's just metaphorical.
यहाँ जान पर बनी है, तुम लोगों को अपनी ख्वाहिशों की पड़ी है। क्या स्टोरी देनी है प्रिंसिपल को, कुछ सोचा है? मुझे तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रही कि हमारी प्लानिंग लीक कैसे हुई।
क्या स्टोरी देनी है means what should we tell the principal? So they are actually standing outside the principal's office. क्या स्टोरी देनी है? What story should we give to the principal?
मुझे तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रही कि हमारी प्लानिंग लीक कैसे हुई। कौन है वो कल्प्रिट जिसने वार्डन को जाके खबर पहुंचाई और वो पूरी बारात लेकर पहुंच गया हमारे पास?
वार्डन का बेटा खुर्शीद, और कौन? बदला लिया उसने हमसे। कौन सा बदला?
They are trying to figure out who actually leaked their plan, and they're suspecting that they actually shared this plan with the warden's son, and so he leaked this plan. Barat lekar aana is so in India and Pakistan and weddings, the groom is accompanied by a large amount of people. And there's a procession. They come with the groom and they support him. They're his relative or friends, family, or extended relatives and cousins.
और वो पूरी बारात लेकर पहुंच गया हमारे पास।
वार्डन का बेटा खुर्शीद, और कौन?
So here they're talking about this warden who brought this whole bunch of people with him, like a barat.
यार तू फिर साहब को समझाता क्यों नहीं है? क्या समझाऊं? यही कि हम मासूमों के साथ इतनी सख्ती ना किया करें यार।
They're having this flashback of sitting in a dining room where they actually shared, I think, the plan with the warden's son who leaked this story. But they're saying that why don't you talk to your father that don't be too strict on us. Sakhti karna is to be strict. Why he's so strict on us? वो बहुत सख्ती करते हैं। सख्ती ना क्या करें। Don't be so hard on us.
आखिर हम भी किसी की औलाद हैं, हमारे भी कुछ अरमान हैं। क्या घर में माँ बहन बच्चे नहीं हैं उनके?
हम भी किसी की औलाद हैं means we are someone's children as well. We are someone's kids as well. हम भी किसी की औलाद हैं. We're also someone's kids and someone's sons. हमारे भी कुछ अरमान है. Arman means we have some desires, we have some dreams. He's bursting all our dreams and our desires. क्या उनके like doesn't Warden have any kids?
इसके घर में तो खापली का बच्चा रहता है.
फजूल बातें मत करो, खाना खाने दो. और वैसे भी मेरे अब्बा एक जालिम इंसान नहीं है, वो एक प्रोफेशनल आदमी है. अगर वो डिसिप्लिन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करेंगे ना, ठीक है, सारा हॉस्टल तू बन जाएगा.
Alim means cruel, so he's defending his father. I think he's saying that my father is not a cruel man, he's just a professional man. So अगर वो डिसिप्लिन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करेंगे तो सारा हॉस्टल जू बन जाएगा. So if he compromises on discipline, the whole hostel will become a zoo. So he's defending his father and he's saying that he is right. So definitely probably he leaked the whole thing to his father.
अब आप एक ही किस्म के डायलॉग क्यों मारते हो? इसी तरह की बातें करता रहता है हर वक्त. मुझे तो लगता है ये दोनों रात को ना डायलॉग की रिहर्सल भी करते हैं.
खाना खाने दोगे या सर को बुलाऊं?
बुलाओ.
Dialogue marna is to actually beat someone up. But here it's a slang term. Dialogue marna means exaggerate something or to say a very embellished statement.
मुझे तो लगता है ये दोनों रात को ना डायलॉग की रिहर्सल भी करते हैं.
Dialogues की rehearsal भी करते होंगे. They probably rehearse the dialogues.
वालेकुम सलाम. तस्वीर देख ली आप लोगों ने नोटिस बोर्ड पे? ये
So
सब
now
क्या
they're
है?
in the principal's office. तस्वीर देख ली means have you seen the picture on the notice board? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? ये सब क्या है?
कहाँ जा रहे थे?
कहीं नहीं
जा
सर.
रहे थे. Where were you going? So this is the past continuous tense.
ये आपको कुछ नहीं बताएंगे सर, ये सिर्फ आपका प्रेशियस टाइम ज़ाया करेंगे. आप मेरी रिकमेंडेशन पे अमल करते हुए इनके वालिदैन को कॉल करें और वो ये
Zaya's to waste. ये आपको कुछ नहीं बताएंगे. They'll not tell you anything. A precious time ज़ाया करेंगे. They'll just waste your precious time.
इनके वालिदैन को कॉल करें और वो इनसे
He's just speaking out of turn. Call करें
Okay, sir.
means so this is a subjunctive form, subjunctive mode which can also be used as a command.
कोई जवाब है या आपके पेरेंट्स को कॉल
Now
करवाऊं?
they make an elaborate story. I feel like करवाना is to make someone do something. So क्या मैं आपके पेरेंट्स को कॉल करवाऊँ? Now should I make the warden call your parents? करवाना.
सर वो दरअसल हम ना पीसीओ जा रहे थे. एक कॉल करनी थी.
किसको?
PCO.
सर मुझे करनी थी.
Actually-
मुझे करनी थी. I had to call. मुझे करनी थी. I had to call. Had and have construction use मुझे. मुझे करनी थी. मुझे means I have or I had in this case. And if you want to watch a grammar video or grammar lesson, you can always go to my grammar playlist and watch these videos. I'll link it down in the description box.
लीना सर, साथ की अम्मी की बर्थडे है आज. तो वो
साथ की अम्मी.
रात के 12 बजे उन्हें सरप्राइज करने के लिए कॉल करना चाह रहा था.
सरप्राइज देने का ये कौन सा तरीका है?
Mother of Saad has a birthday. It was Saad's mother's birthday. साद की अम्मी की बर्थडे थी.
बर्थडे है आज, तो वो रात के 12 बजे उन्हें सरप्राइज करने के लिए कॉल करना चाह रहा था.
सरप्राइज देने का ये कौन सा तरीका
सरप्राइज
है?
देने के लिए कॉल कर रहा था. So the surprise देने के लिए means to give him a surprise. In order to give him a surprise करने के लिए means for surprise करने के लिए. In order to give him a surprise, he was calling at 12 o'clock. Tariqa means a way. What is this way? What is this etiquette? What is this way of doing things?
पहले कितनी बार कर चुके हो ये?
पहली बार सर. और पकड़े गए.
First time. पकड़े गए. We have been caught. We have been caught. पकड़े जाना is the verb that's used here.
सर रोज के होते हुए किसकी हिम्मत है कि 8 बजे के बाद हॉस्टल से निकलने का सोच भी सके?
Himmat means who has this courage, who has this audacity or guts to get out of the hostel after 8. किसकी हिम्मत है? Who has this audacity?
उनकी सिक्योरिटी को कौन धोखा दे सकता है?
बेचारा. Or
We are really very
he was just trying to kind of do his job and they just blaming everything on him.
very sorry sir.
सॉरी सर.
दोबारा नहीं होगा.
अगर अगली बार ऐसा किया तो ये तस्वीर नोटिस बोर्ड की बजाय तुम लोगों के घरों के बाहर लगा दी जाएगी, समझे?
यस सर.
नाउ गो.
घरों के बाहर means in front of your house. घरों के बाहर, in front of your houses. They'll be put and they'll be framed in front of your houses. समझे? Do you understand? समझे? Do you understand? So I think that is a lot. Have you learned a lot of vocabulary words and verbs with it? Let me know in the comment section what kind of movies and drama series do you watch? Do you watch a lot of Indian or Pakistani dramas? What is your favorite drama? For me personally, I like old Pakistani dramas a lot because I don't know, I also watch a lot of modern dramas, but I like the dramas that are made in the 90s and 80s because they used to have a really great theme. One of my favorite Pakistani drama is Tanhaiya, and the other drama that I'm watching right now is called Doob Kinare. I'm going to make a video about it soon. Do you like this series? Do you learn Urdu or Hindi with it? Let me know in the comment section because that's really motivating. And sometimes it's very hard to keep making videos, so a little engagement will motivate me. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.